This woman could not get out of the bed because of a strong pain in the joints until she started taking this. This remedy was sent by one of our readers who wished to stay anonymous. This older lady was suffering from severe pain in her joints, especially in her knees and ankles. And her doctor prescribed many different anti-inflammatory drugs, but unfortunately, the effects were only temporary. She already knew that she was suffering from arthritis. So he decided to stop taking the medications and treat her painful joints, in all natural way. So she found a natural remedy against arthritis that helped her eliminate the symptoms and the effects of arthritis. According to the woman, this remedy was everything she needed to get up and relieve the terrible pain that she was feeling in her joints. And the best thing about this remedy is that you can use it, both internally and externally. And you just need one simple ingredient. Yes, you got that right, you just need a medium-sized eggplant. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients. Medium-sized eggplant. 1 liter of water. Directions. Here's what you need to do, it's very simple. First you should wash the eggplant, slice it into rings and then place it in a pot filled with boiling water. Let it soak in the hot water until it cools down to room temperature. After that, strain the liquid and store approximately 750 ml of it in the fridge. The remaining 250 ml can be used for external applications. And now we're going to show you how to make the remedy for external use. You will need the same ingredients as above and 50 ml of olive oil. Mix the 250 ml of the liquid you have saved up at the previous step with the olive oil, then stir well. The resulting mixture should also be stored in the fridge. How to use it? First, we're going to show you how to use this remedy internally. 250 ml first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. 250 ml at lunchtime. 250 ml in the evening. And now we're going to show you how to use this remedy externally. It's very simple. You should apply this remedy on the affected area before you go to sleep. All you need to do is rub the liquid onto the affected areas and then fold a clean cotton cloth around them to keep them warm. And after 3 weeks, you will be amazed by the results. Just apply this remedy on your painful joints and get ready to be amazed. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.